What's up everyone, this is Bill. Today I'm just going to do a short video for you guys. I know there's not a whole lot of information out there on the Can-Am Ryker just yet. It's still a pretty new product. Today we're going to be changing the air filter. Now this filter will work on both sides, so you can do the filter for the CVT transmission as well as the one on the air intake side for the throttle body. And this is the part number CM-9910. You can get this on Amazon. You can find it just a little under 40 bucks. Okay, this is a K&N high flow air filter. This is a lifetime filter. It is washable, and you can buy the reusable kit from on Amazon as well. So if you look up for this kit right here, this is an older one. I have had this for a long time. It'll clean several times, several filters. Okay, so this is a cleaner and the oil for the air filter. Okay, you can look that up, 99-5000. Okay. So to get the air filter off, you're going to be removing the left side air intake cover. Okay, and we have two latches. There's a latch down here that are going to pull towards you. I'll show you what those look like. You're going to pull down, get down and towards you, and then you will. Anyway, sorry about that. We're out here in the parking lot. You're going to lift this up at the bottom, and it slits up. And what it's sitting on is this little lip is sitting on this little shelf right here. Okay, so you're going to want to take your time when you're putting it back on. Don't scratch your plastic all up. Once you get it locked in, you'll feel it won't move left and right. It sits down. These clamps push back in. These are the clamps that I was talking about. They're just like a spring-loaded little clamp, and they're just shoved on there. Okay, so there is your filter. Okay, and this bike only has 3,000, not even 3,000 miles on it yet. So it's still new. Doesn't need replaced, but we put K&N on everything, so we're gonna do that. Okay, so we're just gonna set this down. We're gonna lift it up. Very carefully, we're gonna remove it. You'll make sure you don't have a bunch of dust. Keep that intake area clean on the bike. Just give that, blow that out of there. I wouldn't use compressed air or anything like that. You don't need to. Okay, so you can see my filter looks really good actually. Okay, let's go get the K&N one. Okay, the K&N one will be sealed in a plastic bag. It does already come oiled and ready to go right out of the box. You can see right through it. Just use that mesh inside there. And it is rubber all the way around the edges of it as well, compared to your stock one. Okay, let's stick it in there. And it doesn't matter, it's the same, it's just a basic rectangle. So I'm going to use right here, there's a K&N logo. I'm just going to put that upward. It doesn't matter though. And it just slides right in there. Okay, so now it is back into the little air box there. Okay, now we'll get it back on the bike. Okay, so let's take our box. Make sure that the filter stays in there. Like I said before, we'll set it on there. Make sure it doesn't move. And push these latches back in. There we go. Okay. So now we'll start it up and see, you guys can tell me if you hear any difference. Okay, I don't really notice much difference at all. We'll see. Performance-wise, I'm sure it'll be a little bit better. And now we have a lifetime filter. We're not going to spend endless amount of dollars replacing air filters down the road. And the next thing to do when the CVT transmission one needs replaced, I believe that's after, I believe it says 12,000 miles to replace that one. Don't quote me on that. I'll put it in the description. I'll look it up and put it in the description below this video when you're supposed to replace that one. But when you do replace that one, you can buy this same K&N one, and then you get a lifetime filter for both. Okay, so anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like button down below this video if you guys like the content. That helps me out tremendously. You guys have a good day. Peace.